It's actually kind of ironic because in those boxes over there is the new rims and tires for the rear set, so that we hopefully hook a little bit better. So this is the unit that the car came with, so we're gonna see if this thing is any good anyway. See if it will actually do something. It's only been like 5 minutes and it's already gone up at least like 15 psi. Got the tires in the back of the truck. Just gonna take the car over to the tire shop, drop off the boxes. Hopefully it'll be quick and easy. Got the tires all mounted up. Had to take them to a different tire shop because Les Schwab wouldn't do it. Shout out to RT Tires. Heading back to the house to get them mounted up. Now we got the car in. Throw these under the hood. Now that we got the rear off, gonna go grab over the new one, throw that on the rear. So far we haven't done this side. Screw them off a little bit each. So here's the comparison. You got 35-inch sidewall versus a 45. But if you compare the sides, the old rims, the old tire setup only ran at 315. The new wheel and tire setup, perfect fitment, sticks out just a hair. Now I just got to get spacers for the front. It looks kind of goofy, I'm not gonna lie. The back has like perfect fitment, and then the front just... That'll be next on the to-do list. The rims were missing one last touch.